Hello friends, today we are going to cover chapter 3, which is serialization with file. In the previous video, we covered serialization with memory buffer, but in the most common use case is that we are actually going to use file to store our serialized bytes and just restore it back from the same file which is stored in the hard disk. So it would be incredibly useful if an object could exist and holds its information even while the program wasn't running. So what we mean is that when a program is running, we have got some live objects and it has got some states. By state, I mean that it would be having some private member fields, which will be having some values. And there can be many instances of the same class objects having different states. And we want that states to be available when the JVM shutdowns and we restart our application. So the next time when you started the program, the object would be there and it would have the same information or state it had the previous time the program was running. So this is actually a short form of persistence, and which is already provided by Java using the serializable and externalizable interface. Externalizable interfaces we'll cover in the later chapters. So persistence means that an object's lifetime is not determined by whether a program is executing. The object lives in between invocations of the program. We can have multiple run of the program, and each time we serialize it, the state, and next time when the application starts again, it will again deserialize it or restore the object when the program is re-invoked. So this is actually, and we are able to produce the effect of persistence. So here, just with this, the Java object, we actually store the stream of bytes to a file, and then from the same file which is in the hard disk, we deserialize from stream of bytes and reconstruct the Java object. In this scenario, we are going to use a file output stream as the underlying class to write to the file, to write the serialized stream of bytes to file on the disk. And this class is an output stream. I mean, output stream is the main interface for writing data to a file, and it's meant for writing streams of raw bytes. I mean, the raw bytes can be like image data or the Java object that we're talking about. The main thing is about here is that it's actually the raw bytes or the binary format that we're storing. And similarly, the file input stream class is used to read the stream of bytes from the file. And to reconstruct the object again, it would be the again same object input stream, read object method to read those input bytes from a file in file system, and is meant for reading stream of raw bytes again, such as image data. So if you look again at this diagram, so in the previous chapter, we covered this flow where we are storing the stream of bytes into memory and then deserialize it back. So in the next video, we will cover this object with stream of bytes, and instead of putting in memory, we'll put into the file as we discussed, and then reconstruct this object using this flow. So in the next video, I will cover we will dive into IntelliJ, and we will write the code to understand this better, whatever we have learned today. So see you all in the next video.